Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the PC is stable. Plug in power, attach a keyboard, and close all apps so the system can reboot cleanly. Once ready, hold Shift and choose Restart from the Start menu or Sign-in screen. This forces the advanced startup options. If the system won't reach that screen, make 3 forced shutdowns and restarts to trigger the Windows recovery environment. This step is about getting you into recovery quickly and reliably, so you can access repair tools without losing extra time. Once in advanced startup, select Troubleshoot to reveal repair tools that address boot and system issues. You can run Startup Repair to fix boot problems automatically, or use System Restore to revert to a prior restore point if available. For advanced fixes, open Command Prompt to run sfc/scano and chkdsk. These repair system files and disk errors. Make sure you have your BitLocker recovery key handy, because encrypted drives may be locked and block these operations, and that will halt progress until unlocked. After running repairs, restart and confirm Windows boots correctly. Check Device Manager and event logs for remaining issues. If problems persist, use Reset this PC and choose Keep My Files to preserve data while reinstalling Windows, or perform a full clean install as a last resort. If you encounter failures, write down any error codes and boot into safe mode for additional diagnostics. Make a backup of important files before deeper actions. This protects data while you pursue recovery or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.